I think this is quite normal now. So what you should do, I'm asking you, take one string. All of you, string means thread. Take eraser, then tie to it. Then hold that one end of the string at this particular point. Then what is the state of string? You are going to call it as a tout. It's called a tout. So what is the state of this block? The weight of the block will act vertically down, mg. Then if the block is at rest, then who will balance this weight of the block? Definitely it should be tension. So there should be some force. So here the force set up in the string is called as a tension. And how it will act? It will act in this way. Agree this. So now what is the T? T I am going to call it as a tension. Now what is the tension? How to define tension? Tension, a force set up in a string. A force set up in a string, that one. So tension is the force. Okay, next questions are like can you say anything about tension? We are very new to it. Okay, regarding tension. So the first point is I'm going to put, what is the nature of it? It's electromagnetic in nature. It's electromagnetic in nature. It always acts away from the body. This is the nature of it. It always acts away from the body. So there's a one condition. Then sir, what else? Still only this much. Further we have, it always acts tangential to the string or rope. Here string, rope, thread, both are same. So of all very put, it always acts away from the body. This is something very, very, very important condition, which will be using in almost all our numericals here. And sir, what about electromagnetic force? I'm saying that when it's electromagnetic force, it's like a similar to molecular force. So it's a electromagnetic in nature. Sir, what do you mean by electromagnetic? Both electric and magnetic fields are responsible for it. So it's electromagnetic in nature. Next, sir, can you say anything about like a direction? You are saying it always acts tangential to the string. Next again, it is set up by, it is produced by pull force. When you hold two ends of a rope and pull it, the string will become taut, and the force set up or the force produced is like it's a pull force. So these are the one very basic fundamental things regarding the tension is what I'm putting forward here. So I say like you may feel something, this is a new thing, just I think very quite natural. How to show this diagram? This is a block. So instead of this suspending, no, you hold it with your finger, just tie it to finger. That's all, no? So this will be, you take a string, put knot on your finger, then suspend it, suspend eraser or some object. Then what is the state of this string? What is the state of this eraser? Will be at rest, its weight will act. Who will balance it? The tension. Okay, very simplified approach here, nothing big. The tension, the string will balance the weight of the block here. Now one more thing, like if tension is 0, the string is taut. If tension is 0, the string is said to be taut. In this one only, if tension is non-zero, if tension is 0, the string is said to be loose. Okay, there's a one basic condition is what we are defining. So what do you mean by loose? Like suppose say if you don't suspend anything, let me take the same diagram. You remove this, then how the string will be okay. So I'll some of you are saying sir not seeing it properly. Okay, got it? No? Tension. So this one is called as a loose, string is loose. This particular string is called as a taut. I'll give all the examples. This is very important. If you start checking now, you can see that one. Almost every numerical we do encounter this tension. The concept of tension is very, very important. So just it's like a string. So like what is this? There's a thread, string. It's left to you. Whatever you want, you can call that one. Okay, agree this. So there's one very basic idea of regarding the tension. Okay, let me give all electromagnetic nature. I can't say much about this. You select the gravitational force. It's an electromagnetic nature. Due to interaction between the molecules, this will come into picture. So it's electromagnetic nature. It always acts away from the body. You see that one. At this end, the tension will act here. At upper end, the tension will act in this way. Then there's what this rope is doing is try to pull down. Definitely what this rope is trying to do will try to pull your finger down. So therefore the tension force I'm showing it. So this end of the rope is trying to pull the ceiling down. Then what do we get? We get here a reaction. So again, what is the state of this? There's a ceiling. Everything is a ceiling. Then what is R? R is equal to again T. So let me write R minus T equal